Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw to Wise on Interactive Brokers step by step. You'll need to use the web client portal for this. Withdrawals can't be done from the mobile app. First, head to the Interactive Brokers website and log into your account. Click Login in the top right, then Portal Login. Enter your username and password, then verify through SMS or the QR code scan. Once you're in the client portal, look for Transfer and Pay in the top left corner and click it. From the Transfer and Pay menu, click Transfer Funds, then select Withdraw Funds. You'll see a currency selection screen. Click on the currency dropdown at the top and choose the currency you want to withdraw. For most people, that's USD. Once you select a currency, available withdrawal methods will appear below. If this is your first time withdrawing to Wise, look for the option that says Use a new withdrawal method and click it. A form will appear where you'll enter your Wise bank details. You can find these in your Wise app, things like bank, country, and your IBAN if you're withdrawing euros, or account number for other currencies. Start filling in the fields. Once you enter the Wise bank details, Interactive Brokers will recognize it's a Wise account and auto-populate the bank address, SWIFT code, and assign it a nickname. Double-check everything looks correct, then click Save Bank Information at the bottom of the form. You'll see a confirmation message and your Wise account is now saved as a withdrawal method. Now you're ready to enter the amount. In the Transaction Information section, you'll see a Withdrawal Amount field. Type in how much you want to withdraw. Make sure it doesn't exceed your available balance. Below that, there's a checkbox for recurring transactions. Most people skip this for one-time withdrawals, so just leave it unchecked. Scroll down and click Create Withdrawal. A confirmation screen will appear. You'll need to enter your username and password again, then approve the withdrawal through two-factor authentication on your phone. Some users also get a confirmation code sent by email that you'll need to enter. Once you've completed the authentication, you'll see a success message confirming the withdrawal was submitted. You can also go back to Transfer and Pay, then Transaction Status and History to track it. Interactive Brokers processes most withdrawals within one business day, and it'll arrive in your Wise balance the next business day. Your first withdrawal each month is free. After that, it's $1 per withdrawal. Once the money's in your Wise account, you can convert it to your local currency or transfer it to your local bank, though Wise may charge fees for those steps. Future withdrawals are quicker since you can skip the setup and just select your saved Wise method. That's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.